Looking for a rugged smartwatch that's lightweight, durable, and doesn't need constant charging? The Garmin Instinct E40mm could be a great option for outdoor enthusiasts, but there are a few features you give up to keep it simple. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Instinct E40mm has a 40mm fiber-reinforced polymer case, chemically strengthened glass, and a 10 ATM water rating. At around 41 grams, it's also lightweight enough for everyday wear and outdoor activities. Its monochrome MFP display isn't as colorful as an AMOLED screen, but it's actually useful outdoors because it's designed to remain visible in sunlight while helping with battery efficiency. And battery life is one of its biggest advantages. Garmin rates it for up to 14 days in smartwatch mode, with up to 21 hours of GPS use. Actual battery life will depend on how you use the watch and which features are enabled. For outdoor and fitness tracking, you get built-in GPS, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress tracking, body battery, activity profiles, and workout features. It also includes pulse ox, although Garmin notes that this feature isn't intended for medical diagnosis. The 40mm size is particularly appealing if you prefer a smaller watch or have a smaller wrist. It also uses a replaceable 20mm quick-fit compatible band. However, there are some important compromises. Their Instinct E doesn't have an AMOLED display, solar charging, Garmin Pay, or a built-in flashlight. It also lacks some of the advanced navigation and training features found on Garmin's more expensive models. So, who is it for? If you want a durable, lightweight smartwatch with long battery life, GPS, and essential fitness tracking, the Instinct E40mm is a solid choice. But if you want premium smartwatch features, an AMOLED display, advanced navigation, or more sophisticated training tools, you may want to spend more. Overall, the Instinct E40mm keeps things simple and practical. It's a good fit for outdoor users who value durability and battery life more than flashy smartwatch features. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which smartwatch you want reviewed next.